Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this 2019 Heartland North Trail 22FBS Utra-Lite travel trailer. Overall exterior length is 29 feet 7 inches, and the exterior height to the full walk-on crown roof is 11 feet 1 inch. And the unloaded vehicle weight when it came off the assembly line, or the UVW, usually can be found on this yellow sticker right here on the door frame. And there it is. 5,256 pounds. Perfect for a half-ton truck. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. This is a one-owner trailer. I do know the owners. I've known the owner for a little over a year. I helped her sell her last trailer, but the only reason why she's selling this is because she is done RVing. All right, you get the idea. All right, this is actually has one slide out. The slide out is the huge U-shaped boot dinette, and it's ultra leather finish, or leatherette. Kind of zoom in on that. All the fabrics are in excellent condition. The trailer is actually in excellent condition. It's just a little dirty, and I'll show that to you on the outside. The owners had not had a chance to really detail the outside. Kind of show off the colors on the U-shaped boot dinette. It's going to be like a, I'd say it's almost like a real dark charcoal, not necessarily a black, but some of the colors here, there we go. It's going to be like a real dark brown and some charcoal. All right. And you can definitely break that table down and sleep. Definitely 2 grown adults. You can cram a bunch of kids on there if you want. The cabinets, I'm not sure what color they're calling the cabinets. I believe it's going to be a cherry. See if I can get some lighting on that. You do have the nickel finish on the hardwares, and like a rain glass look, I guess, in some of the doors. And I always do it, try to show off the window treatments too. Yeah, there we go. There's some good lighting right there. Show off the colors. It's going to be tans, grays. You get the idea. All right, pan around. It's going to be the Jackknife sleeper sofa. It's like a futon. The back and the bottom break down, and you can definitely sleep 1 grown adult there, or you can sleep maybe 2 kiddos. And it's the same fabric, the ultra leatherette finish. And again, excellent condition. There is no sign of wear and tear on this camper, in my opinion. I'm pretty picky when I do my walk-arounds. I think a dealer would definitely classify this as excellent condition. 1 through 10, 10 being the best, definitely a 10. Kind of pan around here. I'll show off the bedroom towards the end of the video. Let's go in the kitchen. Huge counters. Huge kitchen with lots of counter space. Double bowl sink. Nice sprayer faucet there. TV, it's on a pivoting arm. It's going to be maybe an 18 inch, maybe a 20 inch. Full length metal ball bearing drawer guides, not the cheapy plastic guides. Your TV, your entertainment is going to be by Furrion. It's stereo, Bluetooth, smart device ready, USB hookups, all the good stuff. Lots of cabinets on this floor plan. Microwave, we are hooked up to 110. I like to show that the digital readout's working. Furrion 3-burner gas cooktop. Front burner is usually going to be a high output, and this does have the lid on the front for more counter space. The glass lid, I think, may have been an option or part of a package. Nice LED light accent on the oven. Nice light, and the glass front on the oven door. Huge pantry on this model. I don't usually open up cabinets, but I'm going to try to show off all the storage on this floor plan. Spin around here, show off the refrigerator. The service panel on the refrigerator up underneath, that's where the water pump would go, so it's winterized still. And that's another reason why the owners are selling it. They just haven't had a chance to use it, but that's where your water heater would go. I'm sorry, water pump. And anyway, this is the service panel, and the screws are just out of it, so there's nothing wrong with the camper. 6 cubic foot Dometic refrigerator, gas electric. Whether you're hooked up to shore power or you're boondocking, you'll have a cold refrigerator within a couple of hours. And you don't need an inverter like most of the electric ones. Just kicking on, automatic, and you're ready to go. Thermostat, operate your, I believe it's going to be a 13,500 BTU ducted AC unit. And I believe it's a 30,000 BTU furnace on this. Everything's all ducted. The AC unit, though, does have a quick dump feature, which I try to show off. It's really convenient for cooling off real quick. Once the camper is cooled off, shut off the quick dump, and you'll have ducted AC all throughout. All right. Rear bathroom floor plan. Huge rear corner shower. Neo-angle shower, I guess sometimes they call it. Glass enclosed, not just a curtain. Nice skylight. Oh, nice shelves over here for odds and ends, towels. Foot flush toilet. Nice corner vanity area. And you do have a huge medicine cabinet. Lots of storage in the bathroom, by the way. Definitely going to be one of the largest medicine cabinets you're going to find. And it's a good 1.5 feet deep. Yeah. Oh, and you can opt it as a closet too. Take out the shelves. Pretty neat concept. Another closet, and you can put shelving here if you want that option. You've got it. Huge storage. Monitor panel here tells you where you're on your battery. Fully charged battery. Freshwater tank. Not sure what the tank capacity is on the freshwater, but you can tell where you're on your black tank or your toilet, and your gray, which is your sink and shower. Switches for your gas, electric, direct spark ignition water heater, 6 gallon. Whether you're boondocking or hooked up to shore power, 15 minutes you'll have hot water. Water pump switch right there. Pretty easy to figure out. I do want to also point out you do have a crowned roof, so you have a little bit more ceiling height than your traditional travel trailer. Better runoff too on the outside, and I'll try to show that to you. Nice wood plank flooring on your vinyl flooring, and it's residential grade. I do also want to point out all your ducted heat vents are on the side of the cabinets, so they're not collecting debris when they're in the floor. Little vents that are usually in the floor kind of look nasty after a while. All right, walking towards the queen bed, which is upgraded. The owners just pretty much bought it. It's brand new. It's a Bowles $600 mattress. I would put it up against any North Trail 22FBS mattress out there. This is definitely one of the nicer mattresses you're going to find. Nice curtain for privacy from the bedroom into the living room. And you do have 110 outlets on each side of the bed. Closets on each side of the bed. I did check this camper for water damage, and also check inside closets up in the corners. Look for any wrinkling, anything like that. Did not find any issues. Show off some of that storage. And you do have one-handed here, but you've got storage up underneath the bed there. All right, nice reader lights. Oh, and if you wanted to put a TV in the bedroom area, that's where you'd mount it. Now I'll try to show off everything. See, that's where it would go. Start heading outside. This is going to be your switch for your slide out and your awning. The awning is brand new. And before I point out the awning, don't want to forget, this is the basically the step above system. That's what the higher end fifth wheels are using. Definitely nice to have. It doesn't rust. It's easy to fold away. Nice clean look when you're traveling down the road. Those are the steps you want, definitely. Kind of start from the front here. I pointed out it is dirty on the outside. The owners had not had a chance to detail it, but it should shine up like a new penny. Just a little dirty. On beautiful front molded fiberglass cap with LED light accent. Show off that North Trail badge there. All the decals are in excellent condition. I did not find any curling or wrinkling or fading. Kind of zoom in, kind of prove it. See? She's just a little dirty. A little soap and water. Diamond plating, I believe that was an option. Usually it is, or part of a package. 22 20-pound LP tanks with cover. That usually is an option or part of a package. I do know that was an option. Power hitch jack. The owners do have a blue ox tow system, bars on this, and it's not going with the camper because they paid a ton of money for that hitch system. But if you're interested in the bars, tow bars, and weight distribution, let them know. Maybe y'all can work something out. See, there's those bars. Those are not cheap. Huge garage storage, by the way. And this is all up underneath the bed. And I believe these are insulated slam latch baggage doors. Gotta love them. You do have enclosed underbelly, and it is insulated, so you can go in extended seasons. Once you start getting well below 0 degree or freezing, I would definitely winterize it or suggest it, or start heading down south. Heavy duty manual stabilizer jacks, those are the ones you want. They're a lot heavier duty than the rinky-dink little electric jacks. All right, fiberglass finish. It's almost like a gel coat. Kind of see. There's lighting right there. See that? Nice glossy looking gel coat, and it's easy to clean. See, there's your decals. There's no curling or anything. She just needs a bath. As I pointed out, awning is brand new, and I believe it's going to be an 18-foot power awning, but that is brand new awning on a 2019 model. Show off that North Trail Utra-Lite badge there. It's kind of raised. It's not just a vinyl. Damn, that's aluminum. Wow. Freshwater gravity fill. I'll point out in the description what the capacity is on the freshwater holding tank. Service panel for your furnace. This is going to be the wide track suspension system. This is basically a smoother ride, and you run truer when you're driving down the road. And I believe these are 14-inch aluminum alloy wheels, nitro filled. They're just dirty, but their tires are in excellent condition. Back up here, you do have the exterior Furrion marine style speakers on the outside. Your tint on the camper is going to be 80% tint on the windows. And I do want to point out, you do have the LED lights inside the tube, protected from the elements, and they're all working. Sometimes those LEDs go out when they're connected to the wall sometimes. All right, show off what it looks like from the front rear. You are backup camera prepped, and as I pointed out, it is a crown roof for better runoff. Spare tire with cover and mount, that was an option or part of a package. Black tank sewer flush rinses out your toilet so you don't have to drag a hose inside anymore. Kind of back up here, show off. There we go, see. Yeah, we're about 13 minutes into the video, so okay, on the fiberglass, I did check for bubbling, which is called delamination. Did not find any issues. I look for stress cracks. I look for anything that's basically the first thing I do, and usually I'll just pan down the side here, and let's see, on the sidewall, and I'll just look for bubbles or any warping. And sometimes, most of the times, it's caused by water damage, but I did not find any issues on this coach. Outside shower, hot and cold running water. City water hookup right here. Satellite or cable hookup right there. 30 amp marine style cord, and it does have a little service light here, so it tells you that you've got shore power. So if you have any electrical issues, at least you can eliminate the fact of shore power coming in. And this is where you hook up, and these are your gate valves. Your dump valves are all up into the underbelly, protected. There's your insulation up in there. So yeah, you can go into extended seasons if you wanted to on this. Kind of show off what it looks like up underneath there. 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition service panel here on your water heater, refrigerator service panel. Your slide out's going to be a good, that U-shaped boot dinette, it's going to be a good almost 3-foot deep slide out. And it's going to be about 6, maybe 7 foot long. try to show off the decals on the back side too. Little bird duty. This is going to be your light switch for the accent lighting on the front, which I'll show you. Oh, there's a service light on the other side too, in case you're in the dark working out here. Slam latch baggage doors. Oh, and the baggage doors, I do want to point out, little magnet system. I like to show off the magnets. I always say it, they should have done that a long time ago. See, there's your blue LED light accent. Other than the fact it's a little dirty on the outside, yeah, it should be a pretty clean camper. On a Sunday afternoon, wash her up with a little soap and water. You got a brand new awning on the 2019 22FBS North Trail. All right, I think I got everything. I know I didn't, but anyway, if you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You always deal directly with the owner, or you can call 502-645-3124. And if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.